Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is our 24th tutorial of Power BI. In the previous class, we have covered the basic filter DAX functions, and our next functions are financial functions. And these are basically used for finance department or widely used in financial reporting. So for now only, we will skip this function and we will move towards our next function, which are information functions. So let me click on this link and we have a list of information function. So we will start with this contain function. Contain function return if value of all our referred column exists or all are contained in those columns, otherwise the function return false value. So let's start with the practical guys for better understanding this contain function. So go to our data set first and we want to see that there whatever the milk is written, that value displayed true, else all result will false. So go to our visual page and click here new measure. And I'll write my measure name which is contain equal to, now I put my measure which is contains. Now here we have three parameters: table name, column name 1 and value. So our table name is sales. So I'll write sales here and put comma. And our column name is product. So I'll write here product, comma, and our third parameter is value. So let's start the inverted comma and I'll write here milk and inverted comma close and close the bracket. And now I will take a table visual here and I'll put here products and the measure which we have created, which is contain. Let me make it on focus mode. Now we guys can compare the value of milk which returns true. So wherever the milk is written, it's simply displaying the true, else all value will display false. So in this way, we guys can use this contains DAX function. And now we will study a more important function, which is Containstring and Containstringexact. So let's go to the Power BI desktop. So to understand this topic, I have to add one more table here, guys. So let me add the table. So I have uploaded one table here, which name is products 2. So first we will see the data set. So here is the data set, guys. We have multiple products in one single row, like milk, bread, butter, cake, fruit cake, butter. So we will apply contain string function on this product table. So go to our new measure and I will enter my measure name here, which is contain string. And now I'll put equal to sign and write my measure name, which is contain string. So we have two parameters, guys, which is within text and find text. So I will use one more DAX function here, guys, which is selected value. So I'll write here selected value. And under selected value, we have two more parameters, which is column name and alternative result. So our column name is product, which is from product 2 table. And this alternate result is optional. So I'll skip this and close the bracket. and now put comma, and our next parameter is find text. So let's start the inverted comma, and I'll write here milk, and inverted comma close, and close the bracket and press enter. Now I'll take one more visual, which is table visual, and under table visual I will drag and drop this product column and the measure which we have created, which is contain string. So here guys we can see under this list, if milk is containing, that means that result is true, else all result are false. And this function is case insensitive. That means no matters if you enter the values in caps or small, it will contains all the values and will show correct result. Now we will study this function, which is Containstringexact. So let me copy this measure, and the parameters are still same. So this function is case sensitive. That means if one value is in caps and other are small, then we need to enter accordingly, else it will gives you the false output. So let me edit this formula. Let's say I'll write this string in small. So you guys can see it will display the false result. See, the result has changed because it is case sensitive. You guys can see under milk string, M is in caps and other alphabets are small. So you need to write it accordingly, else it will give you the false output. That's why it's known as Containstringexact. Now you guys can see it's displaying true value. So that means it will display the exact match. So I hope you guys have cleared with the difference of Containstring and Containstringexact match. And we have various kind of formula under information functions. So you guys can explore yourself and do practice yourself. And in our upcoming classes, we will cover up some more dash function. Meanwhile, you guys can make more practice yourself. And please stay tuned with us and please subscribe this channel. Don't forget to press bell icon, else you will miss an update. Thank you so much guys.